Hello and welcome to my Miniature Addiction Club. Today I'm going to show you how I made some simple additions to this little wooden trinket box I found at a second-hand store. First of all, I glued on some decorative beads to the base of the box for the legs, and painted them gold to fit in with the rest of my room. To make the handles, I cut two small diamond shapes out of some cardstock and threaded a small bead onto a metal jump ring. I glued the bead to the centre of the cardboard and let it dry. I'm using tacky glue because it's easy to work with and dries quickly. Next, I added some more details with a toothpick and some gold paint. I added little dots around the carved detail on the lid, as well as adding dots on the sides to look like little rivets. I also made a piece for the lock by gluing a bead to some cardstock. I painted all of the hardware using the same gold paint and let them dry. Then it was time to glue all of the new pieces to the chest. I hope you enjoyed watching how I upgraded this little chest with some pretty simple yet effective additions. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.